God, guys, I had a rough day today, and whenever I have a rough day, I like to listen to the beautiful sound of Morissette because she is such a good singer. And I wanted my mom to react to Morissette and hear how beautiful her voice is. So yeah, let's feel better.
Somehow I know that there's a place up above. Know my heart and struggling, free from all atrocities and suffering. Because I feel the unconditional love, the one who cares enough for me to erase all my burdens and let me be free to fly like a bird, take to the sky. I need you now, Lord. Carry me high to let the world break me tonight. I need the strength of you by my side. Sometimes this life can be so cold. I pray you'll come and carry me home. How can we recover? Will the world ever be a place of peace and harmony? With no war and with no brutality. If we loved each other, we would find victory. But in this harsh reality, sometimes I feel just harder than I feel the need to fly like a bird, take to the sky. I need you now, Lord. Carry me high, don't let the world break me tonight. I need the strength of you by my side. Sometimes it's like can't be so cold to pray you'll come and carry me home. I need you. I need you right here by my side. Keep your head up. What God's love you survive. I need your love, don't let me hide. Please take me the way the way the way the light. Carry me higher.
Oh, she's great.
She's amazing. She's
Yeah.
so good.
Yeah, she really has a great range. The song had a melody.
Yeah, so my mom is a singing coach, guys. So she can really tell you guys, what did you think of her voice?
Well, first of all, the instrument is amazing. It has one thing that her sound is very beautiful, and you can hear the emotion.
Yeah,
in
that's
her.
one thing when you can see the emotion
Yeah,
too. She like really emotes. She acts when she does it.
Remind me a lot of Mariah Carey.
That was a Mariah Carey song that she sang. That's probably why.
Oh, but
Yeah.
I mean, she can hit the high notes.
Yeah.
Like she could do Puccini, because she's hitting those very high notes at the end there. So she could be classically trained, maybe.
Yeah, and one of the things that I thought was really awesome was that they did it on, like, it looked like, I don't, was it on Zoom? How did they do it? They had all, it was the whole, there was like a one person doing the recording and one person doing the piano and different instruments. There's, you know, how did they must have did it through Zoom, which is crazy because now that's what we're doing.
Yeah,
We're
it was
performing,
great.
yeah.
That was terrific. I like her.
We're performing and we're recording on the internet with our whole crews all around, and yeah, it's pretty amazing. So Morissette's one of the biggest singers in the Philippines. So what do you think? She's a good singer?
She's great. Mm-hmm.
Yeah. What now? Is she a soprano? Is she an alto? Can you tell from her voice like that?
Definitely soprano because she can hit.
She hit it all the way up there.
She hit the high notes, but she has a very good range. She has a
beautiful range.
A good stretch.
Yeah, so beautiful, and I love that she's recording music at home. I liked her background. It looked like, because that's how a lot of times I feel with my background. I'm like, oh, let me just hang some lights up, or let me do something, because you're not on a set. You're not having people help you film. But she did such a great job, and she had her whole crew together. I'm doing some acting stuff on Zoom, so it's hard. It's really hard, and for her to do that, it looks so polished. And every time she does anything, it's so polished and perfect.
Yeah, she's a pro. She's a pro.
Yeah, definitely a pro. Thank you guys. Special shout out to my friends on Instagram who suggested this one. I get all these DMs about what to do, so you guys are the best. Shout out to the Patreon of the day. David, you rock. We love you. Thank you, David, for your support on Patreon this month. And yeah, guys, I love you so much. I love you. Mommy, tell them you love them.
I love you.
Night.